Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Welcome to Autism Times 2, and today we're playing Cookie Monster's Foodie Truck.
And your name is?
Hello.
Hiya, it's me, Cookie Monster. I'm Chef Gong, and we are Monster Foodies. Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck. For all our friends on Sesame Street. What you want? Elmo's peanut butter, Bert's oatmeal, Elmo's peanut butter. Sound tasty. For this recipe, we'll need bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey.
Just 6 of them.
Looks like we're missing
Just 6 of the
banana.
foods.
Come on, we gotta go get some
And
more.
then
To the banana farm.
just like
Come on, let's
Autism
drive
Time
to
2.
the banana farm. Click to start driving.
Oh, down the road.
Oh, Cookie Monster, which way are you going?
Whoops.
We on our way to get banana. Collect the more bananas. Yay, you got. Let's get cooking. To make peanut butter banana. Make sure to get it all over. Then peel the banana. Chop, 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 choppity chop, chop. Now add the honey. Oh, yeah. And last but not least, I will put the bread on top.
And here,
Gong time. Go ahead. Click to gong. It's ready. Now it's time to send to Elmo. Order of enjoy you sandwich.
Okay, here. Let me chop the banana.
Be careful.
chop, chop, chop.
Choppity chop chop. Chop chop chop.
Be
Choppity
careful.
chop, chop.
Caleb, be careful. He has a knife.
It was banana.
The banana.
There's another banana. There's another banana.
It's made by bees.
Yes. Made by bees.
Whoa.
Alright,
Look at the honey. At the honey.
did we do it? Honey. Let's spread the honey.
Make sure to get it all over. That's enough.
Okay.
Okay.
And last but not least, I will put the bread on the top.
What did you do?
Make peanut butter, banana, and a honey sandwich.
Let me see. Whoa!
Peanut butter, banana, and honey sandwich.
Good job.
Now,
Who showed you how to do that?
It's ready.
I make the peanut butter, banana.
Okay, who showed you? Who showed you how to do it?
Can I show it?
Who showed you how to do it? Mr. Cookie Monster?
Yes. Show Mr. Cookie Monster.
Wow,
He
thank
said-
you.